Hello and good afternoon. So a special review. Thank you for Merit. I love reading cards. The antidote to the oversaturated world of beauty. Less is more. So we're gonna be reviewing Merit Beauty today. I just want to really show you guys this box. It's so beautiful. It's like a periwinkle blue gray color together. It's really, like, I felt like important. As you can guys see before. I just want to go into some of the products here. Hello everyone, I'm just going to do a quick voiceover of this, and this is going to be in perfect black. It's such a pretty mascara. It's not clumpy either, and as you can see, I have no lashes. Like, I didn't do anything. I was just born with no lashes, so I'm glad it's given me something. It was pretty easy to do. You know, there's some mascaras that's kind of hard for you to be able to get the gist of it, but pretty much I can see the difference. You know, it's nothing too crazy or anything like that. It's just a couple of shots I had of the different lipsticks here. They're so pretty. I got a lot of natural colors that I think I can use in the future. So we're going to start off here. This is going to be orange. It's like an orangey color, like a warm orangey tone. This is called cara cara. So basically, I believe it means face in Spanish. So just going in with that. It's like a nice little, I like it. I can definitely see me wearing this for spring. It's really cute. I think I like certain corners. I was supposed to use a lip liner, but I was just so tired, y'all. But yeah, it was a nice smooth shine. Like, it makes my lips look buttery soft. Like, it was really, really nice. I definitely can see myself using this in the future for sure. It's not one of those throwaway colors that you don't use anymore. So next we have, I believe this is called Pink Beat. Now, this is the color of my bottom lip. I don't even know how they matched that, but to me, this is like a perfect pink. It's so soft. Just imagine this with a brown smoky eye, or even a small little cat eye. Like, this is like a perfect color. Like, it's so pretty. Like, this is definitely, I can definitely say, as you can hear my voice, it's definitely one of my favorites. Sorry, I know not all lipsticks are made equal, but it's so pretty. Like, it's definitely fitting. And then this one is like a taupe color. Like I said, I've been looking for this nude color. I've been looking for a long time, because I usually put foundation on my lips and then put like a gloss on top, but I think this pretty much comes close. I really like this one. It's really, once again, like, I think the thing that I like is that it's really, really smooth. Like, I'm not I'm not making sure I roll it slow, so whatever, but it's very smooth, and it's very, very soft. It's like a taupe brown color, but like I said, like, I'm glad I did the lip swatches as well to show what color it truly is, because sometimes, on certain people it looks different. Like, this is like a taupe color. So this one was like a nice little nude, but I think the Pink Beat hasn't made. And this one is called Falcon, but I call it Claire color. Like, it's like a chocolatey, like, it literally looks like when you're eating some chocolate and some fell on your lip. Like, that's exactly what it looks like. It's so soft. Like, it's such a nice little, definitely a nighttime look. I can definitely see a nighttime look for this one. This one's really, really, like I said, like, all the lipsticks, definitely for sure, to me, they're very, very soft. And like I said, this is such a cute little, like I said, this minimalist, y'all need to catch up. This is where the beauty trends are heading, because I can definitely see, like, this is so soft. It's like a chocolatey, so beautiful. But yeah, definitely I can say out of my favorite ones, you guys let me know which one you liked on me. We can disagree, but if it's the pink beat one, tell me why. But yeah, that's pretty much it, and that can be a look right there. You don't even have to add no makeup, no liner. That's pretty much it. There's a trend coming. I really feel like there's this trend of basically going back to natural beauty, like real minimalist beauty. But definitely there's push towards more natural, like natural looking makeup. So I can definitely say it's on trend. A lot of the colors are very pigmented. Like I really like the fact that a lot of the colors are very pigmented. The packaging is pretty. Even something as small as the little tape on the top, even that, like, it's kind of like, this is my gift. Okay. But yeah, overall I love the products. The shipping was excellent. Like definitely got here in 0 to next time. What else? Like I just like how everything's packaged. You saw the bag from earlier. That's really cute. That can be my own. That's gonna be my own little bag, personally. But yeah, I can definitely say for sure I enjoy the products. Definitely, guys, if you want any more details, I've left plenty of links below, especially any colors that you liked on me, for sure. I really appreciate you guys doing this review with me and enjoying everything. Don't forget to subscribe, share. It's Claire here. Bye.